The chainsaw can be an extremely dangerous tool if not operated correctly. This program will look at a range of basic preparation and operational procedures that are crucial for safe and successful chainsaw operations. When working with chainsaws, certain safety procedures must be practiced to protect the chainsaw operator and those working in the immediate vicinity from injury. The most common parts of the body which are injured by chainsaw accidents are the hands, knees, feet, and head, especially on the left side of the body. However, with the application of proper work practices, the use of modern equipment, and correct protective clothing, chainsaws can be used efficiently and safely. Avoid unkempt hair, loose garments, belts, or jewelry, which could be caught in the saw. A hard hat safety helmet to the approved standard must always be worn in work areas. Wear approved eye protection. Safety glasses or goggles, in combination with a full face shield, will provide the best protection. A chainsaw is a noisy tool, which requires the use of ear protection, often in the form of earmuffs. Make sure they are appropriate to your saw's decibel rating. The decibel rating is usually displayed on the saw body. For operator comfort, hard hat safety helmet designs are available that incorporate head, eye, and ear protection in the one unit. Steel toe-capped safety boots should be worn, and all boots should have non-slip soles. Wear appropriate safety gloves. Leg protection is also necessary. Safety pants or safety chaps will provide limited protection and should be worn. A first aid kit should be readily available and include large wound dressings. A chainsaw must be thoroughly checked or inspected before each use and also during use.